I think that the biggest leadership lesson I've learned is don't sweat the small stuff. You've got to give researchers, early career engineers time to explore and to make mistakes, and don't try to control every step of the process.
Robert Kiyosaki, one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time, had two different quotes. First is that there's a little bit of magic in every single mistake. Now, the magic is called learning. And the second one that he came up with is that it's not who was right and who was wrong when a mistake was made. It's about who learned from it. And in today's engineering management lesson, this is exactly what we're going to be talking about. In this week's installment, we have a lesson from Matt Evans, who's a professor at Oregon State University, and he's going to be giving us a tip on how leaders can ensure that younger engineers can grow successfully in their careers. Let's get into it.
I think that the biggest leadership lesson I've learned is don't sweat the small stuff. You've got to give early researchers, early career engineers time to explore and to make mistakes. And you may want them to do a specific thing, but let them find their way of doing it as opposed to making everything prescriptive. Don't try to control every step of the process. And I think that it helps me sleep better at night. And I think it helps those that I'm trying to mentor learn faster and better.
So I hope that you all have enjoyed this lesson from Professor Evans, and I hope that you guys took something from this as well. I know that I did. And what I learned is that it's okay to make mistakes along your journey. You just have to understand that no one's going to be perfect. And it's what you do with the mistakes. So it's important to turn your losses into lessons. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers to become better leaders and managers in the engineering industry. I hope to see you guys next week.